Hey little bunnies, Sheila Gale here and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
17:30, I'm like, hey, what's up, hello?
Today I'm here with Maria and she's going to be teaching me how to make slime. We're going to be making two types of slime today. We're going to be making butter and fluffy.
So first you're going to want to put your glue in. Here, you put it first. We're making butter.
Okay, so this is butter. How much?
How much you want.
Is that good?
Yes.
So we got our glue. What's next?
Now pick a color, whatever color you want.
Alright, I'll do pink.
I'm gonna do blue.
Okay, you put your drops of food coloring in and you mix.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like so far.
Now, if this is optional, okay? This is only if you want it to smell. Like this one.
What scent do we have? Grapefruit? Okay. Gonna be adding soap. That's grapefruit flavor to make it smell good.
Now this one you have to add a little bit because then if you add a lot, it's gonna be hard.
So we're adding laundry detergent?
Yes.
Like half a cup?
No,
About?
like
Not
that.
even. Oop, I put too much, so. Is it still too lumpy?
Yes, add a little bit more.
More laundry detergent?
Yes.
So you just add it in as you go?
Yes,
not too
until
much.
it gets hard.
And what's the difference between butter slime and fluffy slime?
For butter slime, you can spread it, and for fluffy slime, you can't spread it.
And for the ingredients, what's the difference?
You add shaving cream, and for butter slime, you add clay.
But pretty much all the other ingredients are the same, right? That's the only difference?
Yes.
You just add clay to butter slime and shaving cream to fluffy slime.
Yeah. If it gets off the bowl like this, it means it's ready.
I think I added too much. Now it's like all bubbly.
No, that's how it gets sometimes. That always happens to me. I'm surprised my bird hasn't screamed yet.
I know, me too.
So too sticky.
I have to use my hands, don't I?
Yeah.
Are you still selling your slime?
No.
No? You're out of business? What happened?
I don't want to do it anymore.
I thought you were making good money though.
I was. I still want to do it.
You should. And your stress balls, right? You're selling stress balls?
Yeah.
You still doing that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Those are better seller.
Yeah.
How much do you charge for each slime?
It depends. Like for the medium ones, it's $3.25. For the small ones, it's $2.25. And for the big ones, it's $4.25.
That sounds reasonable. Mine looks like gum, like bubble gum. It was chewed. So you just have to play around with it.
Yes, until
Okay.
your hands get used to it.
Your hands have to get used to it. Like it doesn't stick to them anymore.
Yeah.
How did you learn how to make slime?
My friend teaches me how to make slime.
Oh.
Then I liked it and I told my dad to get me some. And since my dad didn't want to give me glue, he didn't know what it was, so I...
We have twin birds. Mine's Leo and hers is Chicky. They like to make noise in the background when we film videos.
Because whenever I play your videos, he hears your bird in the background and then he starts screaming.
Oh, I'm sure, yeah. Like, they probably know what each other are saying.
No, he started. Is yours ready now?
Is it?
Yes.
Yay. Finally. Okay, Chicky. All right, now we're adding the clay. You put a sock over his cage?
Yeah, because if we put a sock, he'd be tight.
Okay, here's our clay.
Okay, I'm gonna break it in half. And we're gonna add clay to it since it's hard. I'm gonna add a little bit by a little because I don't want it to, like, if I add too much. No, just mix it.
Just make it like softer.
Yeah. Then it makes it kind of stretchy too.
Okay, yeah, I see. What's your favorite kind of slime?
Jelly cube slime.
What is that? I've never even heard of jelly cube slime.
It's like, you know the sponges that erase like things from the wall?
Yeah.
Yeah, that we cut it in little cubes and then you make clear slime and you put it in there.
That's really cool.
I have one.
Oh.
If you want me, I can bring it.
Sure.
Found it. I actually need two. The one's purple, one's blue. So that's one of them.
Oh, that's cool. This is jelly cube slime. See, it has like cubes. You use the magic erasers.
Yeah, I get it. You can get them at the dollar store. I'm gonna take little pieces just in case if it doesn't work. Okay. So most people add the whole thing. Now I'm gonna add it. Now we mix it.
Okay.
This is the moment of truth if it works.
So we add about this much clay to the slime. Now ours are like basically the same color. That's funny. I have to mix mine a little more.
I'm gonna add a little bit more lotion. Now it's the moment of truth. We need to get a fork and go like this if it's butter. I'm gonna put it there. Okay, it's not
ready?
Sort of.
Okay.
Now,
You can keep that, sell it.
the fluffy slime.
Now we're moving on to fluffy slime.
You're gonna want to add a little bit of glue because the little bit, the bigger it gets with the, it's called the shaving cream.
Okay.
And you can add how much shaving cream you want.
So shaving cream first before color. All right.
There.
Add our shaving cream.
Which color should I do?
I'm doing purple.
I mean yellow. Yellow.
That's what it looks like.
Okay, there. It's perfect.
It looks pretty. I like that
I
color.
like how it smells.
I like the color.
Make sure there's no white on the bottom. See, I still have white. Do you want to add the scent?
Yeah, let's add the scent.
Okay, you can go first now. Okay, there.
All right, that's the next step.
Now we add our activator.
Our activator, which is laundry detergent.
And you can use borax, but I don't like to use borax because it hurts your skin and it can burn it.
I've seen people use contact solution too. Is that an activator as well?
Yeah, but I just don't like to use it because if you don't play with it in 2 days, it gets hard.
Okay, so laundry detergent's the best.
Yes.
Do you think Gain works better than Tide, or they work the same?
I feel like Gain, like the detergent, it makes it take longer to activate. Like you have to add like 5 times.
So
And
probably
it's kind of annoying.
Tide might work better or faster.
Yeah. I've made slime in the car too. Like on a road trip or something.
Oh my gosh. How'd you not get like so messy?
Because I put a trash can on the floor.
Oh. Your parents didn't yell at you?
They didn't know.
They didn't know.
My dad was putting gas into the car.
You made it that fast, like at the gas station?
Ooh, this is... As you see it now, it's gonna get tinier.
I like this one better. It's not as sticky.
Yeah, because like the shaving cream kind of activates it.
Yeah. It takes off the stickiness.
See, this is mine. Can't see the color because of the sun. But yellow.
And I made purple. Turned out like a light purple.
I gotta make a swirl.
Okay, ice cream cone. So this is an example of clear slime. That's what we're gonna be making now.
It's kind of foggy.
I think it looks cool actually. I like it. But, oh, it's so sticky. No. Bye. So we're gonna add clear glue.
Last time when I was making clear slime and I didn't know that there was glue in there, so I went like this.
You thought it was just like an empty bowl?
Yeah. Okay, these are the glitters we're doing. Oh, gawd. These are the ones I'm gonna use. And these. And the black ones.
I'm going with gold.
I'm going with just black. Oh.
Yeah, that's actually pretty cool.
I'm just gonna use black and purple.
Yeah, there you go. So we got purple, black, and blue. And then I just got straight up gold. I want mine to look like fairy dust. Yep, exactly.
Oh, that looks cool. I like mine. Mine looks
That's really pretty.
blue.
That's really pretty. The blue took over, huh? Mine's
looks cool.
Mine's fairy dust.
No, not like that one. Okay, I'm gonna get a fake spoon that's right here for like we can check like the amount we're supposed to get. At the end, we can check the butter slimes because now I have a fork.
Okay.
Okay, but we didn't have a spoon. This much.
Okay. So you just want to add like a plastic spoon amount of gain. Or any laundry detergent. Great.
Do you need help?
Yeah, go ahead and mix that for me while I clean up the mess I made.
There's another way you can make slime if you don't have any clay. You can put toilet paper.
Really?
Yeah.
That's weird.
I don't know.
That's what mine looks like.
This is what mine looks like. What grade am I in?
Fifth. Right?
Good thing you came today because I don't have any homework today.
That's good.
So I don't need to worry about it.
Picked a good day.
Yep.
Are there any more steps to this one?
No. Just all you need is clear glue, glitter's optional, and your detergent.
All right.
This is mine.
Very cool. All right, so we got all our slimes that we made today. We made butter slime.
Butter slime. Oh my god. It's not stopping. I think it's a success.
It's a success.
It smells.
Oh my god, you just like snorted it. Next slime we made is fluffy.
Put mine away.
This actually looks like butter. It's pretty cool. The last slime we did was clear slime, but we added glitter. Whoa.
This is mine.
Oh my god. So this is clear slime. Just glitter added, no color. So this has been slime making with Maria. She taught me how to make 3 different slimes today. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you little bunnies in the next video. Maria, will you cover the camera? Bye.
You stop it.
I'm trying. Here's Chicky, the one making all the noise in the background. Oh, you got nothing to say now?